Greetings YouTube. In this video I'd just like to show you guys this pyramid that I created for a impact project at my school. So this pyramid is an idea that was channeled through me in a few different dreams. So basically we have this thing at school which you're able to spend every Wednesday doing a project that you like, and for the projects which you choose, it has to be connected to a particular subject. So I chose graphical design, and so I planned it out. I did a bit of drawing, and I had a few dreams come in where I was shown different civilizations, how they're able to stabilize the frequency of their planet through focusing energy in a particular temple or a pyramid or a building, or some type of technology which could focus electromagnetic energy and then stabilize the field of a particular planetary system. So in this particular project I worked 2 terms, or 2 semesters, and for this pyramid right here it took me the first semester to get all the materials together. It's basically balsa wood. Yeah, you can come and just show around, yeah. Balsa wood, which is a very craftable wood, and I try to make it as funky as I could. But basically the pyramid and the idea of this park is a simple idea of a place where people can come. We can unite, we can spend some time in the park, you can come into the pyramid and you can do a bit of meditation. Inside of the pyramid it is circular, and you sit, or you're allocated in a geometric facet where everyone is focusing their energy in a group meditation. And as they're focusing the energy inside of the pyramid, there is a crystal inside of the pyramid, perhaps a large piece of quartz, which is connected to some type of electronic, which would then connect to these, if you come and just zoom into these are small crystal balls which would, perhaps be a manifestation if this was real. And the copper from connecting to the main crystal, it would basically radiate the energy and the consciousness of the people meditating inside to the rest of the park. So generally people come in, they can sit down, they enjoy the scenery, and they spend a bit of time here. And basically what the download was is, because the Earth is in a very low state of frequency, if you notice all of the ancient cultures all around the world, every single continent, they would have a particular temple or a particular pyramid or a sacred spot which would be allocated on an energy grid. And these sacred or holy places, people would come for prayer or worship or some form of meditation, where you come together and you focus your energy field together, and then you have all these different civilizations on the planet in the ancient past: the Aztecs, the Mesoamericans, the Native Indians, the Aborigines, the ancient Asians, the Egyptians, all throughout Africa, all these pyramids all throughout South America, so forth and so on. All in these ancient times was to basically keep the Earth in a state of, it's like a network, like you have the internet. Well, this is a telepathic internet where we're all connected in one planetary consciousness. And so this idea was basically channeled through me, and I thought, why not? And designing here as a particular idea that could be perhaps used in the future. So as like a projection, maybe all of these different pyramids and temples will begin to become more activated, and people will begin to really understand the purpose of why all these ancient temples and places were built in the past. And obviously as our civilization develops, we will understand that there will be greater ways of getting the Earth back into its original resonance. And so using the pyramid, which is a great way to focus energy, you can project that out into the field. And when you have a collective effort or a collective consciousness working for the system of balance, peace and harmony, great things can be achieved. So this project, I learned lots of things. one of the things was the actual physical work, which was sculpting and cutting out the wood and actually gluing it together to create and construct this project. The other part was painting, which I enjoyed. My mother also helped me just on the last part of it, and also looking into the research of the pyramid itself and the properties of vibration and frequency, and how these ancient cultures actually utilized this type of information. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, thank you.